Alright guys, hey, we're back. We are working on the vet, and we need to get the seats out of this thing so we can get the new carpet in this thing. So we got some floorboard work to do on this, so we're gonna spin the camera around so you guys can take a look at what we're working on. Hey guys, just a quick reminder, make sure that if you like what you see in the video today, make sure you click down below and click into the comment section and drop a comment down there. We really appreciate you guys tuning in, and we can't wait to come back at you with the next video. But right now, let's go ahead and finish up this one. We're working on the floorboards right now. We need to get this carpet out of here. We pull the seats out first so we can get this old carpet out of here, recondition the seat brackets, and get the brand new carpet in. That's right over there. Then we can get the carpet in and stuff like that. We do have a couple little issues with the floor pans we want to go ahead and address while we're at it. So we're going to go ahead and address this floor real quick so it's done, over with, and all of our body work is done. We're in the process of taking the seats out right now, and we got a few more bolts here to take out, nuts rather, to take out before we can get the seat out. Really strange, you got a 15 millimeters in the back, well 15, and the rest all 13s. Very weird. So we're gonna set this camera up best we can now. Set them someplace else. I'll maybe get it off my hand. Alright. That'll work too. Fantastic. Alright, that should be all of our bolts. We should take this seat out. Hopefully it'll come right out. I'll tell you one thing. This ain't like taking the seats out of a Cadillac or nothing. Let's go look underneath that. See what we got. So you guys can kind of be the first to take a look with me. Set those bolts up there. See what we're looking at. Move this. Hey, there's my sockets I was looking for. Keep those right in hubcap. There. Just gotta find a place with this light. Well, let's see if we can see good enough to take a look. Oh crap, look at that. Carpet's all screwed down. We can fix that. Alright, I'm gonna get a Phillips screwdriver and hammer here. We're gonna fix that. Because I think these screws are so rusted and rotten that they are not gonna come out of there. Yep. I gotta admit, this is the first time my screwdriver trick has failed me. Crap. We're gonna drop that carpet on there, we'll have to grind that out of there. This is probably, none of this is gonna come out of here probably. That one came out. Smacking the screwdriver has really been kind of a secret weapon for me. So it worked pretty well. come out. Oh crap, we're gonna be stuck by the seatbelt thing yet. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have my tool to get those out yet. I gotta go dig that out. That'll be another one we fight for. It's pretty damn good for a Chevette. So far, looks pretty good. On this side of here. Actually, I thought that was mounted there somewhere, but nope. And the pad in here. Wow. Not bad at all. Yeah. Alright. Wow, not bad at all. Very nice. Very nice. I'm excited to get this out now. Alright, so we gotta pull this off here as bracket. And we gotta get these seat belts off here. That'll be fun. And we get that shift boot off there so we can get that off there. Four screws take that off. Two back here, two up front. Pick that boot up there. That's gonna be fun to get that back on with the new carpet. That's gonna be fun. Real fun. So let's take this bracket off right here. It is what it is. Look at that. Alright, hopefully that won't give us a problem going back on. Feels like it's in the plate there. There's that. There's the bracket. Okay. It goes just like that, by the way. This notch goes closest to the console or the transmission tunnel. So it goes on here, just like that. It sits right in there. There's your back mount for your seat. We'll have to snug this down to get this bolt in, but then it's going to be tight. Yeah. Tricky. It's off the ground anyway. Ew. Ew. Yeah, she's had. Is she right there? Look at that. Loosen this old girl up right here. Come on. There we go. Take that shifter off there. There we go. And take the boot off there. There we go. Alright, we got both the seats out of the car. There's seat number 1, and then here's the driver's seat, seat number 2. And we also got the carpet all out, which is all bundled up in a ball right here. Unfortunately, the carpet, a lot of it was rotten and came out kind of ripped toward some areas. And I broke my seatbelt socket, take seatbelts out, so I got to get on one of those. So I had to cut it around those for right now. And then here is the back material for the back seat itself. And it just actually pops in with all these plastic clips. It's all sewed in, so it's really not even sewn around the seat or hog clipped on. It's kind of just tucked in the sides of the car, like on the rails. There's some more plastic here where it tucks it in the side. And then the part where it tucks underneath the back of the back seat, which is really a pain in the butt to try to get that in there. And the seat belt's tucked in there. You see it's got some kind of fancy dancy name on it. Stoffer or something. I have no idea what that says. And it has some kind of name here too. I don't know if that was the company that did the upholstery back then, or, but anyways. And then there's like cardboard attached to it here, so really weird. I don't know. Pain in the butt to get out of there, I know that. Good Lord. So anyways, I didn't clean it out or nothing yet, but we do have the foam out of it too, all of the insulation that was underneath it, and that's all out. Most of it was destroyed, not in the best shape, so we're just going to trash that, put some different stuff in it. Just rough after pulling everything out. This is kind of what we got. It's not really bad at all. I mean, it has floors. It has front floors for a Chevette. That's pretty unusual. Pretty unusual. I'll get up there. You can see we do got a hole over there. But I got a fixed hole over there and one over back there. And then all of this where the Mises have been living has got to go. And this is the hole I think I seen from underneath right there that had to be patched. So I'm going to suck all this stuff out of here and see what all I'm going to have to replace underneath there. I'm hoping that it's just that and those over there, and then I got one over here too, a little one, same spot coming across the body. So right now I got to get all these mice homes out of here and go from there. But yeah, woof. Alright, so she looks a little better now. Now we gotta let crud out of there. She starts scrubbing up all the back. Take her on the other side. Alright, it's looking better. So it's looking like we just got the holes over there to patch, and then right along the seam we got to reseal the seam here, clean this all up, patch right here. Then looks like we got a hole right there, and one right by the seat belt piece right here, which we'll probably have to change from underneath. Take that seat belt out, change it from underneath. The rest of it looks pretty darn good, other than a couple seams that I see need to be resealed. But the front floor, I'm hoping no breakthroughs. Once we start grinding on that, there might be a hole starting on the driver's side a little bit, but we'll keep it posted on that as we dig further into that and that develops. But other than that, man, what a clean floor for a Chevette for a 78. Just really cool. So guys, I got one hell of a mess to clean up. I'm going to take care of all this, and then we'll come back out with the next step of progress on the Vet, and hopefully we'll be working on the floor even more and getting that patched up and cool and ready to go. So yeah, it's hopefully after this we'll have all the problem areas fixed on the Vet, and she will be done and ready for next summer. I don't think we're going to paint it for the winter. I'm not quite decided yet. It depends how fast everything goes on the inside, how quickly we can get that done. So maybe we'll paint it, maybe we won't. Who knows? Anyways, all right. So we'll talk to you next time, guys. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. We love you. Bye-bye.